I'm never gonna give you up. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Maddie, and today I'm gonna take a look at the Fifine AM8 microphone and the BM88 microphone arm. I've been using the Fifine T669 condenser microphone for about 3 years now. I felt like it was time to try out a dynamic microphone, so I picked up the AM8 from Fifine. And I also got the BM88 microphone arm to go with it. So I'm gonna unbox this stuff, set it all up, and see what it sounds like. Let's go. This here is my old Fifine T669. I've been using this for about 3 years. This is also, I think this boom arm might have also came from Fifine, but it's not branded. Now this is one problem that will come from clamping to your desk. If you have a cheap desk like I do, it's gonna take that kind of like wallpaper stuff they put on it. This goes in here. There you go. Now it's stiff. Will come out. And it stops where you want it. Alright. put the ball in there and tighten this down. Wow, that works very well. Now, I don't have an XLR kit, so I would just be using the included USB-C. And I'm gonna route it through here. I feel like this should pop off. Maybe I should look at the instructions. I'm supposed to slide it the opposite direction of the arrow on there. So let's try that. Okay, so, oh my God, that's so easy. Look at that. All right, and this one. Wow, I feel so dumb. Wow, this is really thick metal. Wow, so easy. Okay. And we're going to go in this one. Get in there. And slide and clip. Wow, okay, I like that a lot. And that's it. Alright, now I want to do it this way so I can see the mute button on top. Now let's test out the audio. Right now you're listening to me on a Takstar camera mounted shotgun mic. And that's what this is sounding like. As you can see, I decided to move the mic arm right here to this side of my desk. And that's mostly just because my computer is over here on this side of my desk. And Fifine, the 2 meter USB cable, it's a little bit short. Maybe at least make it a 3 meter and you'd be good. So this is the mic. This is what the mic sounds like. Now I'm about 6 inches away. I think that's probably where I want to be. Maybe 6 inches, something like that. And even over here, the boom arm goes right in between these two monitors. My line of sight, so it's not blocking this monitor, it's not blocking this monitor. I still got my microphone right here in front of me. Oh, and if you noticed, I also have my gorgeous Fifine AM8, I think H6 headset. I also have a Fifine K420 webcam that I use often. I have my very first Fifine product was I don't remember exactly what the model was, but it was a lapel mic. And I did a lot of my early videos with that. That was like my first decent microphone. Maybe I should start doing Backstreet Boys covers with this thing. Yeah. Let's see. It's like, you know, what's the song? Although loneliness has always been a friend of mine, I'm leaving my life in your hands. What's something that's not gonna give me a copyright strike? I bet you get. I bet I would get a copyright strike just for a cover. Everybody wants that money. Oh, I know. What's that? What's that one song? I know there's a song that's like free use. Oh God, how's it go? I'm never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around or desert you. Yeah, that's it. That's how it goes. Fifine, right?